Motorola's latest flagship is a rugged phone. It is called the Motorola Thinkphone. Rugged phones aren't actually stylish. Rugged phones are designed to be durable, so durability is one of the key motives for designing rugged phones. But this phone, the Motorola Thinkphone, is one of the good-looking rugged phones. There are many other rugged phones that are good-looking. For example, the Ulefone Amo 17 Pro, the Doji V30, and so on. The Thinkphone is the best rugged phone in my opinion in terms of features and specs. It's a flagship rugged phone. Some of its features are far better than other rugged phones that I'm aware of. And of course, without wasting much of a time, let's talk about the features of the Motorola Thinkphone. So in terms of design, the rear is made of aramid fiber. Fiber is stronger than steel. The phone has aluminum frame, and the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass Victus. The Thinkphone has a thickness of 8.3 millimeters and a weight of 188.5 grams. It flaunts a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus POLED display with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. And like I mentioned earlier, the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass Victus, which protects the display from scratches and impacts. The display also supports HDR10 Plus technology, which allows for more vibrant and lifelike colors when viewing content. The phone runs on the Android 13 operating system and is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is capable of delivering fast and smooth performance. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor is the most powerful mobile processor currently. I think MediaTek is working on the Dimensity 9000, which is expected to be more better than the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. But we just have to wait and see. The Thinkphone has different variants. The highest is the 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage variant. But unfortunately, all the variants does not have a slot for a memory card. In terms of camera capabilities, the Motorola Thinkphone has a triple camera setup at the back with a main sensor of 50MP, which is capable of recording up to 8K videos. It also has a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The selfie could capture 4K videos. The phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. It's large but not quite massive compared to other rugged phones. The Thinkphone supports fast charging with a maximum speed of 68 watts, as well as wireless charging at 15 watts. It also has stereo speakers and NFC support for easy data transfer and contactless payments. One thing to note is that the Motorola Thinkphone does not have a 3.5mm jack for headphones, so you will need to use a wireless or USB Type-C connection to listen to music or take calls. However, the phone does support IP68 rating, which means it is water and dust resistant, and it is MIL STD 810H compliant, which refers to its ability to withstand harsh environments and conditions. It also has an under-display fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. Lastly, the phone supports dual SIM standby and 5G connectivity for faster internet speeds. Like I said earlier, in my opinion, the Motorola Thinkphone is the best rugged phone in terms of its features and specs. And of course, I do not know when the phone will be officially released, but like I said earlier, I think it's going to be released before the end of January. What are your thoughts about this new flagship from Motorola? Share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.